we have a lot of patients ha, Eastern Visayas Medical Center, ano, okay? Knowing ABMC, it is a tertiary hospital. Kumbaga, ito referrals from the Royal Health Unit, from the district hospitals na inadahamon. And this is the only public psychiatric facility in the region. And we cater both outpatients and also admitted patients. And so damo namon patients, sir. For 2025 alone, we have almost 30,000 patients. And for this 2026, may din na kami almost 9,000. No? August ba nakita? So ang pakianan ni Sir Chibi, ano common mental illnesses? Number 1 in the list is schizophrenia. Second is bipolar disorder. And then major depressive disorder or depressive disorders. No? And if you would ask me, since nga kanang children na natin discussion, hindi daan mga bata, most of them would fall under the third among the statistics, which is major depressive disorder. And also, damulo tanamon bipolar. Before, mga schizophrenia and mga older population, pero yan na, may mga bata na gihapon kita nga may ada mga schizophrenia. So, iba-iba na po ang mga diagnosis. May ada po trauma-related symptoms. May ada gihapon na adjustment disorders. May daliwat kita, damo nga cases yung mga intellectual disabilities which led to behavioral manifestations. Kami sa psychiatry, may ada kami standard no, nga strategy to diagnose mental problem. So we base it on the diagnostic and statistical manual. So we look for, based on our history taking and mental status examination or interview, no, bibigyan namon yung mga simptomas. And then, ika-categorize namon kung ano riyan ang klase ng mental illness. Depende also on the duration of the symptoms and functionality, sir. So, di na matter kung, based on the history and the symptoms, under yung schizophrenia, under ba yung bipolar, and so on and so forth. Pero as to paano to follow up, ano itong mga warning signs or mga, so if you notice your child or anybody na medyo nag-iiba niya functionality, nag-iiba niya from his usual self, that's a red flag already. Schizophrenia po, an patient or a person, naka-experience siya in psychotic symptoms, no? And psychotic symptoms, that is a detachment from reality, parang nawawala yan realidad. May diyan mga hallucinations, nakakapati, nakita yung mga bagay na actually already da. Diba? Tapos, delusion, may mga pagtahak niya, may mapakaraog na iya, may magsasakit na iya, or different kinds of delusions like even jealousy, no, mga sagaditon, or feeling nga, iba na iya, grandiose, mga delusions, no. And that, ang iya functionality, nag-iba from the usual. So there is an impairment in the social and occupational functioning. Di rin na nakakatrabaho, di rin na nakaka-perform ang iya usual tasks, no. If this is noted for 6 months or more, na continuous, no, we can label the person as schizophrenia. Yeah. Pero kung may disturbance ang iya mental status, no, pwede natin niya matawag bipolar. Ang bipolar kaso iba pa hiya, sir. So, pwede hiya magkaadahin psychosis, pwede di rin bipolar. So, ang bipolar po, at least 3 of the 7 symptoms, like 3 and 7 symptoms po ang bipolar disorder, like grandiosity, no, di rin nakaka-focus, ka-istorya niyo madamon, attention, irritable, tapos pagka-istorya mo, puro hila nagihinakan, very difficult to interrupt, no? And then, diri yan nakaturog yung maupay, 2 or 3 hours of sleep, pero very up and about, very active, damo na himo bisan diri nakaturog. And then, talkativeness. So, 3 out of those pwede yung matawag nga manic symptoms with a duration of 1 week or less kung hospitalized, pwede yung matawag nga bipolar. Opo, oo. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, ang amo nagtupanahon ng kailangan namin. Nakontrol pa ka lang siya kaya at naghahanap mo yung ipang-papit ka. Amo ko na yun. Pero when do you consult the psychiatrist? Or when do you bring somebody to the psychiatrist?
Oh, yes, sir. Psychiatry kasi is it's a branch of medicine that deals about thinking, feeling, and behavior. No, so we don't wait until nga maglilinakat na pinangaon na hindi rin maupay, no, para masiring natin nga hinahanglan mag-consult sa psychiatrist. When you are experiencing mga difficult in decision making, you feel sad, may mga worries ka, anxiety symptoms, you can consult psychiatrist. The earlier, the better. Madali hiya matambalan, mag-prevent natin ang long-term na consequences.